Hey you guys, I know you know by now I love to cook. So with that being said, I hope you like to cook too. But when I cook, I get a little bit overboard because it's just three of us, and sometimes I cook too much. So to stop me from cooking too much, I looked on Amazon and I found a vacuum sealer. We're gonna see how it works so I can seal some of my food and put it back in the freezer so I won't have to cook it all at the same time. So let's see how it works. All right, you all, you might be like me and still need the instructions. So I'm glad they're here. Okay, so I plugged it up. And now I looked at the instructions and it told me to put it on a flat surface, like a table, of course. So here's our flat surface. Then it says to push the two buttons on the side to pop it open. So, pop, it's open. Okay, everyone. For the people that don't know what a vacuum sealer is a machine that helps you take out that air, especially if you're storing meats and other things in the freezer, so it won't get frostbitten. Keeps it fresh, okay? Okay, you all. So now we have our vacuum sealer open. We do have the plastic that goes with it. And instead of using meat first, I just want to show you how it works. So I'm going to use this cube. So what I'm going to do is put the cube into the plastic bag, push it on down, and then I'm going to place the plastic bag right here at the edge. Right at the edge. Just make sure you don't get into this unrestricted area. So I'm going to put it right on the edge, and then I'm going to close this right up, and it says you hear a click sound. So let's see if we can hear that click sound. I heard it. All right, so now I'm going to press the button that says vacuum seal. It's going to vacuum it up, getting that air out right out of it. As you see, the little bag is getting tighter and tighter around the cube. And that's going to keep that meat fresh, no air inside of it. As you see, the bag is getting smaller. Air is being vacuumed out. Once it is finished, it will indicate, showing a red button. As you see, it's still green. Okay, you all, it is now done sealing. As you can see, it's very tight around the cube. The button, it went from green, it changed to red, now it went off. So now it's telling me, hey, I need to open it. So I'm going to go ahead and press those two side buttons again. Opens right up, comes right out. Look at there. They sealed the bag right for us. So the air is still not inside. The freshness is still inside with the cube or the meat. Okay, you guys, like I said, I'm going to put some real food in the vacuum sealer. Did not cook any big meals this morning, but I did have some hash browns, and it was in a weird container that I knew if I put it back in the freezer, my food would get frostbitten. So let me put these hash browns up in the vacuum sealer before we put them in the freezer. All right, so I have my vacuum seal. I'm just going to place my hash browns slightly inside. Alright, just like that. Right, pop it open. Put it right here on the inside. There's like grippers here that will grip the plastic so it doesn't move. There we go. Close it. Make sure you hear that click. Alright. Once you hear the click sound, go ahead and press that vacuum seal. As you see, it's getting tighter and tighter. All right. So unpop it. All right, as you see, it sealed it right up. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Sealed it right up. I can place it right in the freezer when I'm done. You might be asking yourself, well, how am I going to get it out? Well, just get you a pair of scissors, cut along the sealed part right here. Take them right out. If you don't use them all, guess what? You can seal it right again. All right, you all. You might be wondering to yourself, how much does this cost? Well, on Amazon, it was about $55. But with Run coupon deals, I got it half off. Yes. I got it for almost $27 with some change, of course. And it is worth it. Worth it, worth it, worth it. Goodbye. Good deal. Well, I hope I helped you find some deals that you've never seen before. And make sure every time you go on Amazon, try out Run coupon deals. Go look on their website, see what kind of deals they have. They might have something just for you, 50, 60, 70, even 90% off. Check us out.